I've got that new car excitement. Got up early in the morning. Yes, so we got a project car MK1 VW, as you can see. It was dropped off late last night off the truck, so we couldn't get any footage on that day. But it was a mission to get it where it is right now. So yeah, this is our project car, Citi Golf. Just have a quick view. Door handles open up very easily on the passenger side. All the door handles works besides the driver side. Driver side window screen has been smashed, but other than that, the car looks fairly decent. Let me show you. Just gonna flip. So this is the inside. I think it's quite decent. Apart from some major TLC, let's do a walk around. So not any major bodily damage, even on the undercarriage, very neat. Just some paint corrections gonna be needed, I hope. That's all.